Okay, here we are standing over grow room number 1 and 2 is there again where the can's dividing it. So these are two separate rooms walled to be at. And what's over it? There's a little bit of air handling equipment over there, a few chairs, a bunch of buckets, and some vents. And whatever you have here looks like more air handling. I really don't want to walk out on this thing, and I'm not going to. And then down below again, that's where your canoe and the kayak and the chain hoist and all that is. On top of number 3 across from me. And then this here is on top of grow house number 2. Now, of course, the pipes that are part of the building stay with the building, but all the air handling stuff, it goes. So we are selling an entire abandoned cannabis grow operation to a single winning bidder, with the exception of a few items, a couple of vehicles and a trimmer. But this is all selling to a single winning bidder. And you've got 10 days to remove it. The auction closes July 11th, 12/12, high noon, at theauctionarium.highbid.com. Thank you very much.